morning, grade 5 or standard 5. Welcome to our lesson this morning. In mathematics, under the topic time, we are going to look at finding time using a number line. Now, what is a number line? A number line is something of this kind. I hope you are able to see it well. It's something of this kind. It's a straight line. It's a straight line that has no end. How do we know that it has no end? We have an arrow on the right and we have an arrow on the left. These two arrows, they are showing that the line is continuous. It does not end. Now, from this number line, we are able to tell at least what time an activity started. We are able to use it to tell how long the activity took, and we are able to use it to find what time the activity ended. Now, how are we going to do it? We are going to do it using a very good example here. We have an example here. We can read it together. Mr. Juma attended a meeting from 8 a.m. The meeting took 5 hours. The meeting took 5 hours. That is the time taken. What time did the meeting end? So we are going to look for the time the meeting ended using a number line. How do we do it? We first of all draw the number line. Now let us draw the number line together. That's a number line. We can mark it and indicate the time. What time did the meeting start? The meeting started at 8 a.m. The meeting started at 8 a.m. So we start with 8 a.m. We start with 8 a.m. Now from 8, what is the next hour? It is 9 a.m. The next one is 10, then 11, 12 is noon, 11 is a.m., 10 is a.m. From noon, a.m. has ended. We begin p.m. Therefore, what time is it from 12? It will be 1 hour. 1 hour from 12, it will be 1 p.m. Then the next one is 2 p.m., then 3 p.m. Now that is just a number line. But we want to find the time that the meeting ended. The meeting started at 8 a.m. Mark this, don't forget. The meeting took 5 hours. So we are going to count 5 hours from 8 a.m. And how do we count these hours? We are going to count the hours using steps. Remember, every step we make, it is 1 hour. So from 8 a.m. we are going to count 5 hours using steps. And the first step should land us to the next hour from 8 a.m. What is the next hour from 8 a.m.? It is 9 a.m. So let us go. How many steps are we making? 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put an arrow. You have counted all the 5 hours. You put an arrow. Why are you putting an arrow? To show that you are counting from this side, going to that side. And this is why you have reached. What time have you landed on? 1 p.m. 5 hours from 8 a.m., it will be 1 p.m. And therefore, the meeting ended at what time? The meeting ended at 1 p.m. Number line is very friendly, and it is it's very good to help you find time, because there's no multiplication, there's no division, there's no addition. All you are doing is just to count, and you are counting using steps. Remember, we were counting 5 hours from 8 a.m., and therefore we land at 1 p.m. That is the time the meeting ended. Thank you so much, Class 5. See you in the next lesson.